how to check and remove connected apps from Facebook. So all you have to do is go here to your Facebook application directly. And as you can see here, it will lead you to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. Tap on menu or the 3 dash lines there. Now, the next thing that you want to do is scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now, here on settings and privacy, what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see the your information section and tap on apps and websites. Now here on apps and websites, you will see the list of the applications and websites that you are actually connected. Your Facebook account is connected. So since, for example, you want to remove such apps, then what you want to do is to choose it. So for example, this one here, tap on WPS Office here. So let's say I want to remove that, then tap on remove here, and then here just confirm to remove it. So as you can see here, you have successfully removed that application from your Facebook account, and that is all for today. And that is how you check and remove connected apps from Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.